Hello everyone, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you, like if you are doing like beer, this is the non-alcoholic beer-based mocktail, and the mocktail name is Jamun beer. How to make Jamun beer mocktail? It's very simple mocktail. You can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 30 to 40 ml of Jamun crush. That's it. Okay. After that, you have to pour 15 to 20 ml of barley syrup. This is the lemon and barley syrup. You can see. Yes. No need to add anything so that you can try. This is the non-alcoholic beer based cocktail. You can try. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly with the help of. Yeah. Shake all the ingredients. Then take any type of beer glass. Okay. After that, you have to pour all the ingredients into the. This is very fancy beer based mocktail you can try. Then simply you have to pour the, this is a non-alcoholic beer you can try. Slowly you have to pour so that otherwise foam will come. See how the color and texture came like a beer only. This is the very real taste you can get, like a same like a beer. Okay, with the jamun and barley flavor. You can try this mocktail. I hope you like this beer based mocktail, and thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to learn some different type of mocktail, you can see every day I am going to upload some new mocktail. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this beer best. Yes.